Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial, where I'm going to show you exactly how to manage human resource allocation in Smartsheet, all in less than 15 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll know how to assign user roles the right way and set your team up for efficient resource management inside Smartsheet. If you've ever wondered how to make sure the right people have the right access or how to line up your team effectively for projects, you're in the right place. So let's dive straight in and get this set up together. First things first, we need to head over to the account settings. Look down at the bottom left of your Smartsheet window, there's a little icon or menu there. That's your gateway to all the backend stuff. Go ahead and click on it. Sometimes it takes a moment for this menu to load, so don't worry if it spins for a second or two, that's totally normal. Once it opens up, you'll see a list of settings, and what we're looking for is user management. This is where you control who's on your Smartsheet team and what they can do. Give that a click to continue. Inside the user management section, you'll see your team members listed out. Now, to adjust someone's permissions, look over to the far right of their row. There's a pencil icon. That's the edit button. Go ahead and click the pencil next to the teammate you want to adjust. This is kind of like walking into someone's personnel file for a moment, so you can personalize what they can and can't do in your workspace. Once you're in the edit mode, you'll land on General Info. Here you get to assign roles. Right under where it says Licensed User, you'll notice some checkboxes for different roles. This is where you decide how much access and what kind of oversight this person will have. For example, let's say you want someone to help manage user groups. That's what the group admin role is for. Or maybe you want them to have visibility over resources for planning purposes, in which case the Resource Viewer checkbox is what you need. Now, a quick but important heads up. If you're on Smartsheet's basic plan, you might notice these options are grayed out or missing. Don't stress, these features only show up if your account is on an upgraded plan like Business or Enterprise. So if you don't see them right away, that's probably why. But when your organization on a higher tier plan, these boxes will absolutely be there for you to check. After you've assigned the right roles, just make sure you save or confirm your changes so nothing gets lost. Sometimes it's easy to forget that last step. Now that your teammates have their updated roles, it's time for the fun part. Head over to your project management workspace in Smartsheet. This is where you actually allocate resources and assign team members to specific tasks or projects. Think of the previous steps as setting up everyone's clearance badges, and now you're moving them into the right rooms to get the project done. With everyone in their proper role, you can easily see who's available for what and make your project run smoother from start to finish. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've just put together the foundation for smarter, stress-free resource allocation in Smartsheet. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video. And if you have any questions or run into any bumps along the way, drop a comment below. I check them and I'd love to help out. And of course, subscribe for more tutorials like this one to keep leveling up your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.